This is Dr. Howald, and I'm going to help you with this problem. The first question we want to answer is, what is something that must be true about diagram A? So diagram A, this is called a hanger diagram. You're going to work a lot with these throughout middle school. So it's a hanger diagram, and we see that this triangle is hanging lower than the square. So what's something that must be true about diagram A? If the triangle is kind of pulling down, if it's lower on the hanger, that means it's heavier. So something that must be true about diagram A is the triangle must weigh more, or the triangle must be heavier than the square. So that's something you could say that must be true about diagram A. The triangle is heavier than the square, or the square is lighter than the triangle. Or you could say the triangle weighs more than the square, or you could say the square weighs less than the triangle. So all of those are things that must be true about diagram A. So on the other side of that, what is something that cannot possibly be true about diagram A? So you could just think about what's the opposite of what must be true. So we said it must be true that the triangle is heavier than the square. That means it cannot possibly be true that the square weighs more than the triangle. So that's something you could say that cannot possibly be true about diagram A. It is impossible that the square is heavier than the triangle. You could even be more specific. You could say it cannot possibly be true that the square weighs 10 pounds and the triangle weighs 3 pounds, right? Because that would mean that the square is heavier than the triangle, and that can't be true. So thanks for watching this video, and hopefully it'll help you be successful.